This is how to refill Canon PFI-1100, 1300, and 1700 ink cartridges as used in Canon Pro Series large format printers. We'll be demonstrating the refilling of a PFI-1100 Photo Black cartridge with Inkowl's American-made pigment ink. You can refill both original brand cartridges or compatible cartridges using this method. We will be filling the cartridge through the exit ports on the bottom. To complete this refill, you will need the following tooling: a large syringe with a sharp cannula needle for injecting the ink, and a small 10 ml syringe with the plunger removed, along with a second needle which will be used to release the air from inside the cartridge. This tooling is provided with Inkowl's refill kit. Step 1. Insert the small syringe through the cartridge's seal in the hole closer to the middle of the cartridge. Step 2. Fill the large syringe with ink and begin injecting through the other hole. As ink enters the cartridge, the air will exit through the other syringe. There is no need to fill the cartridge to its full capacity. You can add as much or as little ink as you want. If you do fill the cartridge completely, the excess ink will begin to exit the small syringe. If this happens, stop filling and withdraw 10 ml of ink. Step 3. When the filling is complete, remove both syringes from the cartridge. Step 4. Wipe the holes clean with a damp paper towel. Clean the holes with the folded corner of a paper towel. Step 5. Gently squeeze and shake the cartridge to make sure the cartridge seal is intact. If the cartridge leaks, it should not be installed. You can now install the refilled cartridge into the printer. Note that the ink levels displayed on the printer are controlled by the cartridge chips, and as such will remain where they were before refilling. In order to print even when the printer indicates that the cartridge is empty, ink level detection will need to be disabled. This procedure varies for each printer model. Please refer to our website for the procedure for your particular printer. For those who would rather not refill, or simply prefer to have larger capacity cartridges, Inkowl also manufactures 700 ml compatible cartridges for Canon Pro Series printers. Built with new chips, the ink levels are displayed completely normally by your printer. To achieve a color-matched and fade-resistant result, it is essential that you use a pigment-based ink specifically formulated for your printer model. Inkowl's inks for Canon large format printers are designed to closely match the original Canon colors. These inks are manufactured locally in the US, which allows us to guarantee a consistent product with every reorder. Whether you use our refill kits to fill your existing cartridges, or get our ready-to-use compatible cartridges, the exact same ink is used. Reduce your shop's ink cost substantially while maintaining the quality of your work with Inkowl's fantastic products. Take a moment, think green, think refilling, think Inkowl.